D.C. Washington, D.C. is a city of monuments and memorials that honor generals, statesmen, and poets all around the world that helped shape Washington, D.C. On every corner and block, there's always a landmark of how D.C. is amazing. Now, take a look at the Washington Monument. The Washington Monument is a memorial to George Washington, our first president. It's the most prominent landmark in Washington, D.C. And now we're at the World War II Memorial. The World War II Memorial was the newest monument on the National Mall in Washington, D.C. It's a beautiful place to visit and pay your respects to World War II veterans. And now we will be memorial. The memorial opened to the public in April 29, 2004. And now you can see the beautiful landscape with all the tourists viewing the water and statues around it. I am now at the Lincoln Memorial. The Lincoln Memorial occupies a prominent space on the National Mall in Washington, D.C. and is a tribute to President Abraham Lincoln, who was our very first 16th president, who fought to preserve our nation during the Civil War from 1861 through 1865. The Lincoln Memorial has been the site of many famous speeches and events since its dedication in 1922. Here you can see this Big Abe in his big chair at the memorial. A beautiful structure within 7-foot diameter columns that shows 20 feet high architect Henry Baker designed the Lincoln Memorial in a style similar to a Greek temple. The structure's 36 columns represent the 36 states in the Union at the time of Lincoln's death. A 19-foot larger than life-size marble statue of Lincoln sits in the center of the memorial, and the words of the Gettysburg Address on the second inaugural address inscribed on the wall. Here you can see the renovations of the reflection pool from the Lincoln Memorial steps. It's a beautiful sight. We are now at the Korean War Memorial. My grandfather fought in this war, so, I mean, these statues mean a lot to me to know that one of my ancestors have fought in this war. You can see how they had capes, and it looks very cool out here. You can see all the soldiers out in the battlefield, different movements they're doing and stuff, you know, real cool. This was a long war fighting for freedom. Okay, so more of the Korean War. The Korean War was from 1950 to 1953. The United States joined with the United Nations. Koreans were forced to take a stand against what was deemed a threat to democratic nations worldwide. At war's end, 1.5 million American veterans returned to a peacetime world of families, homes, and jobs, and to a country long reluctant to view the Korean War as something to memorialize. But to the men and women who served, the Korean War could never be forgotten war. The passing of more than 4 decades has brought new perspective to the war and its aftermath. The time has come in the eyes of the nation to set aside a place of remembrance for the people who served in this hard-fought war half a world away. The Korean War Veterans Memorial honors those Americans who answered the call, those who worked and fought under the most trying circumstances, and those who gave their lives for the cause of freedom.